So you're starting a personal brand, but you're wondering if Instagram is actually going to get you customers. You see all these people posting viral videos, massively fast growing accounts. Like mine, we've been able to grow to 15,000 subscribers in just 2 weeks, which if you guys are interested in learning about that, leave a comment below saying yes. But is Instagram actually going to get you sales and leads like you want? Because that's the ultimate goal. If it's just getting views, what's really the purpose? So let's talk about if Instagram really is useful for a personal brand in this video. Alright, welcome back everybody. My name is Jordan Steen, aka Serial Entrepreneur, and in a minute here, we're gonna hop onto my phone. We're gonna do a screen share of my phone. We're gonna hop onto my Instagram account and show you guys some of the engagement we've been able to get, but also show you some of the comparison between why using Instagram versus maybe YouTube or Facebook might be a better option, or might not be the best option really, because again, Instagram is a completely different beast. So let's go ahead and talk about that in this video. So really quick, before we get into the topic today, if you guys are brand new to our channel, you need to do me a favor and hit the subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, well actually there, and then hit the notification bell so that way you get updates to all of the free video content we put out, the course giveaways, the free training that you guys get. I mean seriously, there's no reason for you not to, so do that. Do you know trends right now in 2018 that are going to affect your business with regards to online marketing? Really quickly, if you do want to see some more on that, in the top right hand corner here, we're going to put a video for you on 6 marketing trends that are going to help you build any business in 2018. All right, everybody. So as you can see, we are on my phone here, and this is, just stuff going on with my Instagram account. You can see a bunch of our posts that we've been doing, and you can see that we are at 16.4 thousand followers. We've actually been able to do this in about 2 weeks. We'll show you exactly what I mean here. So you can see our growth rate on our posts has gone up substantially. Profile visits is going up. Website clicks is going up every single day. So is email clicks. Our reach and our impressions is in the millions, so that's great. So you can see there's a ton of views on these videos. You can see that we're getting a lot of engagement. Like if we go to each video, you can see that there's a ton of people on each video saving the post, commenting on the post, liking the post, all of that. It gets a ton of follows. We got 1,000 new followers off of this one post, and that's great, right? We're growing our page very, very quickly. We're getting people to our website, obviously, because they're clicking the links, but is it actually worth it for you to create a brand on Instagram? So again, the following count is great. The engagement is great. But what I want to show you guys, again, is this is actually super important. So we want to ultimately use Instagram to get people to our website, right? But we're only getting about 100 clicks per week. So that's roughly, 400 to 500 clicks per month, which is good. But we would love a lot more from that if we're getting, 2 million, 2.5 million in reach. All right. And this is also something that I want you guys, to look at and say, okay, well, it's great. It's a lot of new traffic to our site. Yes. But is it, super qualified? Is it the people who are looking specifically for what we're talking about? Because you can see our content strategy is luxury, travel, business related content, right? So, we're catering to that market, but it's such a small percentage of people who actually click through and take another action that could potentially lead to a sale. It's the part that you want to pay attention to. With our YouTube, we get clicks and that traffic is qualified. Usually every video we create makes us about $1,000 to $1,500. So I can't say that every post that we put on Instagram does that, and it's getting, our YouTube videos get a fraction of the reach. So this is what I want you guys to understand about Instagram. Yes, it is great for building a personal brand. Do I recommend it as the forefront platform? Yes and no. When I would say if you're doing more of a personal brand, like an informational course, kind of like I do, you don't want to focus on Instagram first. It works probably better with e-commerce products, things like that. Like if I were to go on here and probably start promoting e-commerce products to the car niche, I could probably start selling some products. So what I want you guys to understand is, it works better for some, it works, not so great for others. What I recommend if you're trying to do a personal brand like mine,
would be YouTube. Definitely YouTube or Facebook. And the reason why is because it makes it easy to create a ton of really engaging video content where it's easy for you to teach people, build an audience, and really get them to know who you are. If you're trying to put a face to it, Instagram just isn't the best way to do that if all you're using is the engagement strategy. So I wanted to put this out here for you guys so that way you had a little bit better of an idea of what it looked like to run an agency, not run an agency, but really to run a personal brand from your Instagram account first. I, again, don't recommend this as the primary platform. I recommend you going with YouTube and with Facebook. The data is just there. We get sales. Our YouTube just drives traffic because we get it from Google search, we get it from YouTube because our videos are recommended on search engines as well. So that's basically it for this video, guys. I just wanted to again put you out there. If you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, make sure that you guys do that. But I'm super excited to keep all of this training going. I hope that you guys are finding it valuable, and I hope that really at the end of the day, you're learning something about Instagram versus Facebook versus YouTube and how it's going to help you build your personal brand.
All right, guys, so to find out more, I put together a really cool training that's going to teach you guys who are interested in building a six-figure online business. If you're trying to start, whether it's an agency or a personal brand like I'm doing, maybe an e-commerce store, we've put together this training for you guys that's going to teach you a lot about the marketing principles that go along to building or with building one of those agencies. So if you want to get in on that training, up here in the, or down here, sorry, in the description, we're going to leave a training for you guys that's building a six-figure business. We're also going to leave one more training down there for free. If you guys are trying to start a personal brand, all you have to do is click that link and we will teach you all of the information you need to know, at least to get started with building your personal brand in the right direction. So make sure you check those out in the description below. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed what we were able to teach you today and it kind of gave you a look into which platform you should use, give me a thumbs up so that way other people who look to start a personal brand can get this information. Outside of that, if you have any questions about maybe why Instagram might not be the direction you want to go, or maybe why Instagram is the direction you want to go, or if you're just confused on which platform you want to start or pick to build your personal brand, leave a comment below and let me know what your question is. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you all again for joining me. If you are a brand new visitor, just in the bottom right-hand corner, click that subscribe and then the notification bell so you can get updates to all of our free training, free content, our free course giveaways, all of that stuff. Lastly, guys, we do live training every single Thursday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on YouTube. So if you want free live Q&As with me and ask your questions about a personal brand or a marketing agency, hop on that YouTube live, again, every Thursday night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, guys, that's it for me. I will see you on the next one. Serial Entrepreneur out. Later.
Ready to start living the six-figure work wherever, be your own boss lifestyle? Well, at Serial Entrepreneur Academy, we'll teach you how to use a laptop and internet to start your own social media and digital marketing agency. Get started with our free Facebook ads training. Links in the description below, guys. See you in the course. Serial Entrepreneur out.